Hello everyone, welcome to the Xoro guide for locking your accounting periods. So this is typically in the scenario where you have a bunch of accounting periods set up in your system, and let's say you typically close on a month-by-month basis, and you want to close out those months in order to prevent any transactions from taking place. So essentially you want to freeze those months or lock them. The way to do that is basically open up your accounting period module here. So you can just look that up by finding it right here. Right click on the year and go to show details. And it's actually going to break down the year by the sub period. So depending on how you created the accounting period, we typically recommend that you create it by a sub period of months. So for example, this is January. And if I wanted to lock it, I can simply just lock it right, just like that. So if you're an admin of the Xoro system, you can lock out months like this. And so now in the system, no one is going to be able to create transactions, edit them, or void them in the months of January, February, or March. So this is quite handy if you're doing financial reporting or if you're closing out months and you don't want any transactions to take place, especially in older months. You can just lock them out. And to unlock them, simply just untick them right like that.